Hey everybody, on today's video we are gonna put the new rain gauge up. See how it goes. Alright, so for Father's Day, the kids decided I need some new rain gauges. This one here, it's been reading about double of what the other rain gauges are. So either I lost a piece that should probably go on top, or it's just not very accurate. So take that one off first. Got the little M12 Milwaukee. Okay, now I had that on the setting number 2, and when I go to put the new one on, I'm going to set it to 1, just so in case I would get going too much. I don't want to break the brand new bracket. And gonna need my little snappy pliers here. So at the bottom, there's a little clip here that you have to take off to separate the actual gauge from the tube. We'll give that a little squeeze as we're pulling it out. There we go, cut that out. Now it just separates. It's supposed to just separate. Hold on a second. Yeah, it doesn't come apart. Oh, there it goes. It was just kind of tight, but it's plastic, so I didn't want to press too hard the first time. So, of course, we want the top of it above the post to get an accurate reading. But I don't want to go too low because I want to be into the meat of the post there. And I'm just using drywall screws. Get it started here. Looks like a pretty good spot. Put the second one in so it can be level. And so I did have it on the number 1 setting there. So that got them started, but it's not going to take it all the way into that post. So you just hit the button, boom, it's on 2. Got a little bit of allow for windage there. So that's really all there is to mounting the bracket. Now let's see if we can get this back in. And went right into the slot there. So there we go. And this also has a floating red indicator in it. So what I'm thinking is I should be able to see from my garage window how much moisture is in there. So that'll be kind of nice. Now I do have an electronic temperature and humidity weather station, in there, but I don't have the moisture one because you know, sometimes those can freeze, and of course they cost more. But there we go, got a new rain gauge up. Might get some rain tonight. We'll hopefully be able to test it out, but as always, thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying.